In this tutorial I will show you how to share your location using Google Maps. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. So first things first, head over to your Play or App Store, search for Google Maps, make sure it is updated to the latest version. Mine isn't, so I'm going to go ahead and update that. Updating Google Maps will make sure that all parts of this tutorial will work. Okay, as you can see, Google Maps has been updated, so I'm going to click on open. So what you need to do is find yourself on Google Maps. So there I am there. So now once you found yourself, click and hold your blue icon. I'll bring up more options, and down the bottom you scroll across and then click on share, just like that. And here you can send it to your contacts. You can copy it to your clipboard and send it directly to that person, or you can send it to chats, Telegram. Click on more for more options. So yeah, that's it guys for this video, how to share your location using Google Maps. Thanks for watching this video till the very end. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful.